What's up, everybody? Hope you're all doing great. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good morning, and welcome to another Bitcoin analysis, which was needed today. Definitely. I mean, of course, I do it almost every day, but apart from that, as you can see, we're also relatively bullish today, and definitely in the last hour. Most of this move above 21,800, which I thought was going to be the resistance level, or the level we would reject off. Most of that actually happened in the last hour. We can maybe see that right here. Yeah, over the last hour it went up 2%, which I shouldn't have done that, but it went up 2%, which obviously for Bitcoin is a lot. The total market cap is above 1 billion again as well. 1 billion? No, I mean 1 trillion, and I think it is in English. Yeah, so alright, I wanted to take a look at Bitcoin. So obviously I said, and I thought we would find resistance right here at that 200 EMA, just because of the sheer strength that 200 EMA has. Alright, that's a very strong resistance level most of the time, and hopefully you haven't forgot it yet. But we did have a higher than expected inflation rate, and it's probably going to lead to higher interest rate in the long-term projections of them. But for now, the crypto market actually looks pretty bullish. We have reached that local top we reached the last time around at 22,500. And now the most important thing and the most interesting thing is, can we actually break that? And I thought about this a lot. What I usually said in the last couple of days when we actually talked about a bullish breakout is that it was enough to break above 22,500. And I have kind of changed my mind on that, because I don't think that's enough because of the resistance level at around 22,800. So I think we need to close above 22,800, and I think that's possible. And what would especially be a good thing is if we are able to close above 21,800 and 21,700, so that we can take a break retest and then do something like this. That would obviously be the most bullish scenario. There are basically two things that would need to happen. First of all, we would need to stay above 21,500, at least with the candle closes. So we can dip down below that, but the candle should always close above that. And apart from that, we need to break this 22,850 level. Well, rather sooner than later. So I'd say within the next 2 days we'd have to do that, and once we do that, I think we can reach all the way up to this level right here between 23,700 and 24,250, and that's my first price target. But frankly, what that would mean is, first of all, that we got a bullish breakout. So I'm definitely not counting out the possibility that we can get even higher towards 25 and 26,000. But when this happens, I just need to make another update on it, seeing what actually happened in detail, but also what looks to be the most likely scenario for the whole crypto market and for Bitcoin. So for now, it really depends on that. Obviously, it's still, and we talked about this bullish breakout scenario a lot, but that made me forget that I still think it's more likely that this is the local top. And I still think it's more likely that we'll drop down below 21,500. So we have to hold that level if we actually want to get higher. And that will start to trend down towards at least 20,000. And then from there we'll see again, because the market is pretty crazy and there is some sort of a bullish market structure going on. So it could be that we put in a higher low, which we arguably have been doing over the last month. So that depends, but I still think that's the most likely scenario. So dropping down to 20,000, but that's just because we are in a bear market, and the macroeconomic circumstances are not necessarily improving. So I just want to say that at this point of time, I mean, the bullish breakout scenario obviously is more exciting, but it's just waiting to see how it unfolds. Hopefully with this analysis, you know a little bit more about what scenario is going to play out, at least in my opinion. For now, I want to thank our sponsors at Fairdesk, one of the best cryptocurrency exchanges where you can trade your cryptos to with low fees, where if you register with the link down in the description, you can get up to a 602 USDT bonus. So definitely check that out. It's very easy, and if you need help with it, you can reach me on Discord or in the comments. So for now, that's my analysis on Bitcoin. If you have any questions, let me know. But for now, thank you all for watching and listening, and I hope to see you all in my next videos. Bye.